And the Chinese Community Center hosting their Dragon Boat Festival and open house today to help raise funds for their capital campaign that was launched in May. The Dragon Boat Festival is one of many major Chinese traditional holidays. The event will feature opportunities to learn how to wrap the featured dumplings with bamboo leaves, as well as welcoming local area chefs to submit their traditional dishes for a competition.
And the Chinese Community Center held a Dragon Boat Festival Sunday to raise money for renovations. The Dragon Boat Festival is a major Chinese traditional holiday, and the center held traditional events, including the eating of Zhengzi dumplings, commemorating the death of famous poet Xu Yang.
The Dragon Boat Festival, we have a signature food which is called zongzi. It's a bamboo leaf wrapped rice dumplings. Got a lot of different fillings. Could be meat, peanuts, or beans, or dates. It's delicious.
The money raised from today's festival will go to raising the center's ceilings, replacing support beams, and repaving the center's parking lot.